guys, it's me Simon and we're back to Mega Dropper 2. Let's go. It's written here. Well, here it is, Mega Dropper updated. Ooh, nice one. I don't need to read this. Sound sector, what? All drops are sent key players get and up the stairs. What? Exit elevator, don't enter the tunnel if you down the drop. Don't enter. Are you kidding me? I need to climb this up all the time I drop? Oh, come on, man. Level 1, portals of drop. Okay. Whee! Well, this is a nice and easy one. Come on, get out, get out. Good boy. Send. I'll meet you up. Okay, I'm up. So take Tycoon. Whoa! I've done it for the first time. Dedication. Okay, I'm up. I'll put this to some. This looks. Ooh, this is cool. Going down, going down. And also, form of insanity. I think this will be nice and easy. Yeah. Right. This is the one. First try. Third one. First try. Second one was first try. And first one was first try too. Okay, meet you up. Okay, I'm here. I'll put this sand in here. Going back down. And well, for jungle tunnel. Okay, I think this is easy too. I think a little bit cheating down here. Okay, yeah, nice and easy from the first try. Okay, now. Oh, come on, man. I'll meet you up. Okay, the last one. There it goes. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh, this is pretty one. Well, 5 Colorama of Dead. What? Oh, no. Oh, no. Did you see that? Whoa! Whoa! That was an insane jump. Whoa! Just wow! How did I even manage to do that? That's incredible. Holy crap! Wow! Okay, meet you up. Well, 6 milk and cookies. Ooh, I love cookies. So this white wall is a milk and those are cookies. Okay, now wait for me. I'll just put this sand in here. Okay, now let's jump into that cup of milk and cookies. I wanna find a good spot. I think, yeah, right here is a good place. Let's go. Oh, come on, man. And I spawn here. Oh, that's not fair. Now I need to get back there again. Okay, I'm back. You mutant cookies. You. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Nice and easy cheating here. Huh. You won't get me now, cookies. Okay. Now what is a good place to drop you? Okay, going down. Oh, that was so close. I literally just didn't clip the edge, but that was a close one. That was a close one. So, moving on. Low sound, black hole party. I don't like name of this. Whoa. Whoa. No, 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 no. I'm dead. Well, I'll need to take my cheating on and just go down the nice and easy. Cheating. Okay, put in this one. And now book stash. Oh. I'm so dead here. I'm so dead. Wee! No, 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 no! Come on! Well, it was awkward. Sorry for that sound. I think this might work. Okay, I give up. I'm done. I'm so done. It doesn't says anything here, so I'm just going down there nicely and easily, taking my scent from here and getting back up. Yeah, this is a very interesting book though. Yeah. Sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay, level 9. The gates revolve. Dun dun dun. Oh, come on. I hate such things. Okay, never mind. I'll just cheat as I log. Yeah, guys, I'm a cheater. I'm such a cheater. Sorry. Well, I am a cheater when something gets fit up for me, and yeah, I'm like, nope, I'm done. I'm fed up of this. I'm gonna cheat. I'm not such a big cheater, and I don't know how to hack. yeah, that's it. Mix you guys up. Well, I'm using this thing right here, Mobizen for Samsung. It's called or something like that. And I record the videos on this, like pause, video stop, or take a screenshot or something like that. Yeah, meet you up. This one nice and easy. Yeah, goodbye. No. Well, turn inside the code. I don't wanna be inside the code. Okay. Whoa. Well, you think where am I going? Right here. Whee! Love this. I love it so much. Okay, back here. I'm gonna jump down here to make this fall a little bit shorter. Just like that. Cheat a little bit. Okay, I give up. I give up. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm down here. Just gonna, yeah. I was fed up with this code. Fed up. Just chill a little bit and I'm done. Just come on. You aren't going for me anywhere, big boy. Meet you up. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. What I wanted to say, sorry, I can't upload videos longer than 15 minutes, so please, can you tell me in the comment section down below there how to make videos longer than 15 minutes, because I search in my tablet, but I can't do that. I don't understand what they mean. So please, if you know how, and if you are watching my video, please write and kind of subscribe if you want, and don't forget to like. Goodbye. Just turn this off.